Your credit rights. No one can legally remove accurate and timely negative information from a credit report. You can ask for an investigation, at no charge to you, of information in your file that you dispute as inaccurate or incomplete. Some people hire a company to investigate for them, but anything a credit repair company can do legally, you can do for yourself at little or no cost. By law, you're entitled to a free credit report if a company takes adverse action against you, like denying your application for credit, insurance, or employment. You have to ask for your report within 60 days of receiving notice of the action. The notice includes the name, address, and phone number of the consumer reporting company. You're also entitled to one free report a year if you're unemployed and plan to look for a job within 60 days, if you're on welfare, or if your report is inaccurate because of fraud, including identity theft. Each of the nationwide credit reporting companies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, is required to provide you with a free copy of your credit report once every 12 months, if you ask for it. To order, visit annualcreditreport.com, or call 1-877-322-8228. You may order reports from each of the 3 credit reporting companies at the same time, or you can stagger your requests throughout the year.